In tonight's What It Means, let me put this in a wider context because you might not have heard about Ebola before this crisis. Or you might only know it from that Tom Clancy novel, Executive Orders, where Ebola is used as a weapon. In fact, it's a virus, first recognized during an epidemic in 1976 in Sudan and Zaire, which is now known as Congo. The name Ebola comes from a river there. There were other outbreaks in 1989 and 1990, and they've all been traced to infected animals like monkeys, bats, and pigs. The key to containing the virus is killing those animals and keeping people away from their contaminated meat. The disease kills up to 90% of the humans it's infected, and this is the biggest outbreak so far, with 1,320 cases identified in Africa and no known cure.